Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. Here we've got our disclaimer. Trading stocks is very risky. Keep in mind my results are not typical. A typical result of an average trader is to lose money. Keep in mind that you're accountable for your own decisions. There is no guarantee that uh, any of my content will improve your trading. With that being said, let's get into today's live trading. About 2 minutes to the open here. Looking at our gap scanner. Let's see what we have here. Yesterday was nice. We got some nice halting momentum. So I'd like to see maybe some of that continue into today's action. Seco looks like our leading gapper. It looks pretty it looks like it's just been consolidating though between 105, 101, 1. So high of 110 here. It's just kind of been consolidating. We'll see if it wants to actually break out over 1. Then we have the FRG, looks decent. FRG, whoops. Okay, VWAP's at 676, 745 or 749. High a day. Good morning, Lays. Good morning, Alan. Good morning, Ed. And good morning, Clive. Nice to see you all here bright and early. Alrighty, here we have FRG. We'll put that on a side chart for now. It needs to get kind of more towards 720 before I start looking at it. CDLX. CDLX looks like it's pushing towards highs. We'll look at this one. 494. This one has a little bit of a higher float, so be careful. It's on 25 million shares instead of it's still low float, but it's more on the higher end of low float. CLX. Alright, CLX pushing up here. PFRG is also pushing up. Alright, so we got a 20-cent range. On CDLX at the open. Watching Seco actually here for this push through 108 sellers. BFRG is also at highs. Okay, Seco kind of retracing its move. BFRG broke high a day. BFRG. Look at BFRG go. 805's the halt up. Darn, I'm gonna get filled at the highs, aren't I? Yeah, I'm gonna cancel that order. Try buying the break of 8 and went to 805. Well, we missed that move. That's fine. Can look to catch the next one. Let's see if I'm missing anything else. NFTG. Um, Seco 104. Taking a starter here at Seco 104. Watching 107. There was some big sellers at 108 or 107 last time. Watching those sellers at 108. Adding at 108 for the big sellers to break. There's 12. 14's the halt up, or 20's the halt up. We hit 14 there. Taking off 2000 at 14. Watching 14 break, then 15. There's 18, watching 20 for the halt up. There we go. Watching this into the halt up. Take off another 1000 into the halt. Okay, what a trade there. That thing just kind of shot up. We're starting to get that bullish momentum again. Alan BFRG has AI news. That's good. Alright, so far we got one good trade on Seco. Up 788 unrealized. We're up 400 realized. 380 unrealized. So BFRG will resume in, let's see, 36, 34. 36, 34 in about 2.5 minutes. Okay, what a way to start the morning, eh? So we'll see how BFRG resumes. If BFRG resumes and halts down, then I'll probably be uh, just looking to take profit on Seco when it resumes. But if BFRG just keeps on going higher, then I'll try and add to my position on Seco. So we're just gonna be waiting. There's nothing else on my side charts right now, so I'm just waiting for these two. BFRG, I'm worried about a 50 cents to $1 flush, so that's why I have only 400 shares in the order window. I'm actually probably gonna reduce that to 300, just because of the range. I want to be able to, if I do get it, I want to be able to let it work itself out. I'll get scared by the range. It is cold this morning, I'm like shaking. Okay, about 30 seconds to resumption on BFRG. Hello, trader community. Welcome, welcome. About 30 seconds to resumption here. It's showing a slight gap up. Cycle will resume at 38:05. So 10 seconds to resumption here on BFRG. Okay, we got the gap. 9:11 is the halt up. Watching for a dip. In here 46, watching 56 and 60. I want to see this break out 60. Cutting it. I filled at 13. Needed to break 70 there. Alright, about 1 minute to resumption on Seco. The problem is I don't want to be in a BFRG trade. managing it while I'm trying to manage my Seco out. So I think I'm just going to focus on Seco here. I'm going to let this BFRG trade go without me, if it does go. Seco's showing a nice gap to 26. Watching the resumption here. Order out to sell at 25. There we go. Taking the rest off at 23. Now looking towards 28. In here at 24, watching 25 and 28. Starting to make new highs. 41's the halt up, watching 33. Seller at 33. Seller at 30. Watching the seller at 30. It's not breaking, so out at 25, break even. Buyer at 26. Got filled at 29. What a terrible fill. Okay, watch this back over 30. Watching 30. Seller at 30. 29. Watch 33 here. Seller at 30. Took it off break even, then added back, and took that off for a 1 cent loss. Let's wait a second here for these sellers to get bought up, as well as I need to see some big bids. Big bid at 26, getting sold into. Big bid at 25, sold into. Just watching this for a moment here. Needs to get some range. 29. Okay, so another doji candle. 2 doji candles. BFRG halting down, or false halt. In here at 80 on BFRG, I want to see us back over 8 with the false halt bottom wick. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it at 62. Testing highs here, Seco. There we go, 35, 37. Halt ups at 42. Okay, watching 37. Watching 39, 42. Halt up here. Seller at 40. Can we get that break into the halt up at 42? 44 is the halt up now. There we go. Let's see if we can pin here. Taking off 2,000 into the halt up. We'll hold 2,000 into it. Okay, so we have $100 unrealized. Is there anything else I'm missing? Anything else anybody's seeing? Is it just these two? BFRG and Seco? Took a small scalps trade there. BFRG, 20 to 30. And there goes the halt up. Of course, I sell it at 30 and it goes to 83. That's fine. Okay, is it sticking here? Looks like it's starting to stick. Although it might move up though, because it took a while to stick. Now it's sticking. Alright, it's halted. Second halt up. But kind of, it's not in a row. We had a nice, solid, like 6-7 minute consolidation before the next halt. So I wouldn't call it two halts in a row. It wasn't one halt into the next, is what I'm saying. When does this resume? 42.17 is when it halted, so it's be 47.17. 47.17. Not that many orders today, because we have just not that many orders. Complete study. What made you take the trade on SECA? Just trying to learn. SECA, we had a high day pre-market at 110. As soon as this candle's breaking 110 is where you want to get in. We also have the halt level at 120 at the time, or is at 118, and then it moved up to 120. So pretty close halt level, along with yesterday's momentum, um, as well as breaking pre-market highs. That's what made me take the trade. I also took the trade with size because of just because we have some confirmation with yesterday's momentum. The market's very emotional that way, where if we have something that happens like last week or yesterday, then people will adjust their trading according. So right now the bulls are in charge ever since yesterday. The bears were in charge for like 3 weeks of March, and then now the bulls are taking control again. Very cyclical. Alright, so 47.17 is when this resumes in about 20 seconds here. Showing a slight gap, 45 by 50. 42 by 49, 45 by 50. Probably saw another half into the open, or to this open here. 49, 50. Taking some off at 47. Watching this over 50. Alt level ups at 64. Taking the rest off for now at 45. Big buyer at 42. Watching break of 50 here. Watching 60, 64. 59 to break. Watching 64. Riding at 55. Cutting the trade at 46, 45. Took a loss on it. I don't like that topping tail candle. The ad at 55 kind of screwed with me. Alright, halt down's at 34. Don't want to see a halt down right now. Resumption on BFRG. Watching here in 3 seconds. Slow resumption here. Succo taking a starter here below 50. I want to see if we can get back over 53 and 59. Need to see some green volume through 48 and 49. Okay, watching this through 50. Watching 50 on the ask. Watching it break. There we go. We want to see 53 here break. Need to see 53 here on the ask. Shit. Cutting it at 43. Get back another 300. I get back too much. Get back 500. BFRG through 50. Up to 82 is the halt up. Buyer at 30. No, this candle's going red. Oh my god, I kind of botched today. What a candle from 950 to 870. I definitely botched today. Those last 3 trades are just complete garbage. Wow. Huge buyer at 40 though. On Secco. Need to see some volume here. 43, 44. Come on here. Cut it at 40. And now it's, oh my god. Now it's at 49. Okay, watching this break through 54 and 60. Watching 54 here. '52, '53. Watching 52 here. Seller at 50, watching it. Cutting the trade at 48. I had a position at 41 and I sold it, an 8,000 share position. That could have been so nice. Oh my god. I had the right trade idea too. I got faked out. You know what's faking me out the most is the lag right now on TOS. Every single order I put out has a 2-second lag. And it's been happening ever since the banking crisis. It's been almost 3 weeks now, 4 weeks. That's too much. They need to fix their crap. Because of the lag, I sell a little bit early and buy a little bit early every single time. But because of that, sometimes I sell preemptively. Because I didn't want to be holding that break of, if it did break 40 there and broke down to 34, halt down, I did not want to be holding that with 8,000 shares at 41. So I sold into 40 as I saw the numbers start to go down. But it reinforced and pushed up. Which sucks because, I mean, if there wasn't lag in TD Ameritrade right now, then I would have had a nice $900 winner. And now I'm sitting up 56 on the day. It's so bad. There I got filled at 78, but I should have been filled at 77. Watching 84. Watching 84 here on an FTG. Is seriously gonna retrace. Out at 76. I am no longer having a good morning. You know, these are the emotions of day trading right here. It's clear as day. I botched today so badly. Watching 84 here on NFTG. Swap at 81. Stop at 76, basically break even trade. Seco isn't making a move here. Seller at 54, 55. Where do we get bid support? There's some seller buyers at 43. There was huge sellers at 55. Taking a starter here, 49. Watching 54.5 here. Taking up at 50 for a small winner. And at 51. Seller at 52. Watching volume come in as 52. Need to see that seller at 55 break. Well, that's what I'm concerned about. We got 54, but 54 is a seller as well. Watching the trade at 50. I filled at 55. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Cutting at 50 for a freaking $200 loss. I should never be getting filled at 55 there. I hit the button at 52. God, TD Ameritrade needs to fix their shit. I wonder if, I mean, I don't even think I can get a refund on those. Because it's not like, I don't know. I'm gonna talk to support today. This is getting ridiculous. It's every single trade. I'm getting slippage on every single trade. They're gonna lose my business. God, RT is up so much today. Good for him. He didn't botch it like I did. I'm pretty mad. I'm pretty upset. I had over 1,000 on second. Look where I'm sitting. Down to 34. See if it wants to stick into the halt down here. 32 is the halt down now. Watching 32, doesn't want to stick. Buyer at 35. I hit the buy. Where am I getting filled? Where am I getting filled? 36 is where I'm getting filled. Seller at 37. Cutting it here at 35. I can't risk going into a halt down with this lag. But like, yeah, I'm sitting there for a solid 3 seconds waiting for my order to get filled. I wonder if it's like that with join the bid and join the ask. Let me try throwing out an order on the ask. Yeah, it's like that too. Okay. So it has nothing to do with me buying market. Can't believe we're red today. Couldn't get filled. I just went too fast. It sucks. Psycho's breaking out again. Buyer at 37. Not confident in the moves yet. It's a 5-minute breakout. Over 39. I filled at 38 on that dip. Add at 40. Average is 39. Watching this break through 44. 45. Alt ups at 52. Watching 45, that seller. 47, seller. Watching 45 break. Get a bit more volume through 45. There we go. There's 47. Watching 54 is the halt up. Took off 1,000 at 46. Watching 54, can we stick here? Took off 3,000 going into the halt. There's 57's the halt up now. Watching 57. Taking off another 1,000 at 54. Watching 57. Seller at 55. Watching 57 here. Big seller at 55. Taking off the rest at 53. Look to add back for the break of 55. Need to see that big seller break. Hollow's at 60 now. Waiting for a dip. Getting a starter here at 52. Watching 55 here. Adding for the break of 55. See that sell wall get through. That sell wall at 55. Green volume on the tape. Down to 48. Out of it at 48. I don't think I can trade this break of 55 unless I'm in low. Trying to anticipate this break with this lag is just impossible. Low of 48 there. Look to get a starter here maybe at 46. Probably missed the trade though. Getting a little uncertain with how this is coming down. KAL. That's gonna be a 10-minute long halt. Was thinking about buying a dip there at 46, but I don't like how these red candles are starting to get more engulfing. I do want to be in for the next move to 45 or 55 though. So it's like looking like a 5-minute pullback or a 5-minute chart. Don't want to see it below 40 though. Below 40 it starts to look really weak. Five-minute candle closes here. High at 55. First 1-minute candle to make a new high is just now. Taking a starter here for break of 50. Adding, watching 50. Seller at 50. Popping out at 49. Big buyer at 47. Back in for 50 break. 50, 55 is the watch point. There's a big buyer at 47. Seller at 45 or 50. 47 breaking down. Gonna go ahead and pop out. It didn't break down, so I'm back in. Want to see that seller at 50 break? There's 51. Call resumption here. I didn't trust it on the resumption. I felt like I was going to reverse. Looks like I was right. Sucko, why you gotta do this to me? Out at 43. Call going back up. Fourth halt in a row. Ay, 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 ay. Can't believe it. This day has been such a roller coaster. I do not like it. FRG halting down. Filled at 5 here on NIR. Watching it overnight, 420. Watching 410, 414. Taking some off at 420. At 405. Back in at 98. 4, I guess. Back in at 4. Try being in at 98. Watching that seller at 403. Gotta cut it. I wish it wasn't like this. I mean, that's... I should have gone filled at 38, or 98. You managed to get red, trader community? I already did that. I did that. And then I managed to get back to green a decent number, and I managed to give it all back again. Very roller coaster day. The lag on TD Ameritrade is not helping whatsoever. It's costing me money left and right. I've probably lost like 600 bucks to lag today. It's ridiculous. KL is not halting immediately anymore, which is good. 65 was the high. I don't want to see it come down. 55. I don't like the spread though. 55, 65. Volume's there. I'll take 1,000 shares. No. Let's go over 45 as the 5-minute breakout. I'm thinking about switching to TradeStation, Ray. That's the one I have considered as my backup. Thinking about it. TDLX popping up. At 86. Watching this break through 90. There's 89. $90, $94 is high pre-market. TDLX through 5. Right at 93. Watching 95 and 98. $94 on the ask. Buyers at 91. Sellers at 93. 91. Sellers move down to 91. Watching 93 break, 95. Seller at 91, buyer at 90. Watching 95 here. Got an 84. I think I'm gonna walk. I can't take this lag today, and it's really pissing me off. And I can't do it. I'm gonna get on the chat with support, and we'll see what happens. This is just ridiculous. I'm gonna call it here today. Horribly red. I mean, this is not a day to be red. And I think most of that redness is from lag, honestly. If I'm being completely honest, I think at least $500 I lost to lag. So maybe I'm down only 170 in terms of like actual trading skill. This is just ridiculous though. It's costing me too much. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna get on the phone with support. See ya.